Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity's high-yield savings account. First, let's explore why a high-yield option is beneficial for your money. We'll compare it to standard savings accounts, highlighting the key differences in earning potential. Then, I'll walk you through the simple steps to open your own account, ensuring you understand the initial requirements and what to expect during setup. Fidelity's high-yield savings offers competitive interest rates, helping your money grow faster than in a typical bank account. You'll also appreciate the excellent liquidity, meaning you can access your funds easily when needed without penalties. Plus, your deposits are protected by FDIC insurance, providing peace of mind up to the standard coverage limits. It's a secure and efficient way to save. Managing your Fidelity high-yield savings account is incredibly simple. You can easily set up automatic transfers from your checking account, ensuring consistent contributions without extra effort. The online platform allows you to monitor your balance and review transaction history at any time. Utilize the robust online tools to manage your funds efficiently, making saving a seamless part of your financial routine. To truly maximize your returns, consider linking your high-yield savings with other Fidelity investment accounts for a holistic financial view. Explore strategies like setting specific savings goals and regularly increasing your contributions to accelerate your progress. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. These steps can help you make the most of your savings journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.